and welcome back to another fun day in the life vlog here on my channel. I love making these videos. Do you ever go through one of those phases in life where you're just so busy that you're just trying to stay afloat, and then before you know it, everything in your life has just become a hot mess? Because same. That's why I am dedicating the next couple of days to getting my life back together, hot mess edition. So the first thing on the agenda is what I like to call stress cleaning. Does anyone else do this? I can't function when my environment is so messy, so I'm gonna tackle that first. Now, before we get started, I have a quick question for you guys. I have two different cameras that I use, and I want your opinion. This is camera number one, my nicer DSLR camera. And this is camera number two, the vlog camera. What I like about this camera is it's much more small and compact and easy for me to carry around the house, but I know the quality might not be quite as good. It'll be interesting to look at these side by side. But now this is back to camera one. Let me know in the comments, how big of a difference do you see? Is it worthwhile of me vlogging just on my nicer camera? Is the quality that much better, or do you not mind the vlog camera? Because I'll do it. I will lug this gigantic tripod around the house if you guys really prefer it, so let me know. Let's start with hot zone number one, the living dining room. This is just a clutter fest, toy clutter fest. And if you're wondering where the kids are, I have reinforcements today. Grandma's coming through clutch. She's entertaining the kids outside, so let's go for it. Getting started over here at Capri's little mess from her breakfast this morning. She really goes for it. When she's done, she just throws her food everywhere. I love this high chair because it's so incredibly easy to clean. That is key. Then I first sweep before I later go on and vacuum just to get the larger crumbs off. Then we're heading over to the living room. I feel like formal spaces are so wasted. So we actually use and play in our living room, just another play space for us. So it always gets messy so fast. So just tidying everything up, putting the pillows back, cleaning up the rogue toys. And fun fact, Carter will not let us get rid of this coffee table. He's emotionally attached to it, even though it's broken and about to fall apart and rickety, but that's a whole other issue. And yes, I still use this vacuum from the Splurge versus Save. It's doing me well. Now this dining room table is full of clutter. This is where we eat and just pile junk. So sorting all of that out. Then I'm going to move on to the kitchen, which isn't really all that clutter. This is kind of the one space we're able to keep the most clean. But one thing that really bothers me is when the stove has food and gunk all on it. So I'm using my scraper, cleaning this all up. Up next on the Hot Mess Express train, we're stopping off in Capri's room. Stuff everywhere. We'll see if I can tidy it up as she's also in here messing it up simultaneously. If that ain't mom life, I don't know what is. All right, now that the house is somewhat in order, we're gonna do some meal prepping because let me tell you, it is game changing to have your meals ready in advance. The easy breakfast I've been liking to meal prep are these little mini veggie egg bites. So easy to make. So for these, I just get my little muffin pan, preheat the oven to 350. You wanna spray these with a nonstick spray. Then I put some diced bell peppers in the bottom. Then I pour some egg on top. This is just scrambled eggs. And I top it off with some cheese. Bake this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until the eggs are cooked through. And we have our easy little egg bites that everyone in the family likes. Me, Carter, Capri. Ryan, he eats his own food. One of these days I have to do a what I eat in a day Ryan edition because it's interesting. Another little easy breakfast food I like to meal prep are Kodiak cakes, but I make them in my mini waffle maker. This takes 45 to 60 seconds per cake, and these are just higher protein pancakes. They cook up so fast, and then I have a little stack of those to also have for breakfast. Again, this is for me and the kids. So for lunch and dinner meal prep is where I struggle because I'm such a picky eater. I was trying to do just like ground turkey, plain chicken with vegetables, And the issue is I just didn't want to eat it. It wasn't exciting enough. Just didn't taste that good, I'll be real with you. So now my little hack trick that I've been doing for my meal prep for lunch and dinner is I order the HelloFresh family size meal. So that's 4 portions, but for me it could be 4 to 6 portions because they're quite large. So I'll just have to cook once, and then I have multiple meals. And the best part is the food actually tastes amazing and I want to eat it. And I've actually been getting the vegetarian because I'm trying to eat more vegetables. HelloFresh is a long-term partner with me. I'm so grateful to them, and they are sponsoring today's video. The best part about this, especially when it comes to meal prepping, is that I don't even have to think about it. I don't have to come up with the recipe, go shopping for all the ingredients. Everything comes to my door. Everything is perfectly portioned, ready to go. I make these so fast and I clean while I cook. They now have the option where you can add extra dinners or lunches to your weekly order, which I have been doing so that I have enough portions that I can meal prep. There's also add-ons you could do, like their garlic bread, which I have not tried yet. I need to try. Back when the pandemic first started and there was no food in the grocery stores, literally our grocery store was sold out of everything, my HelloFresh meals were still arriving, so they have got me through some hard times. I love that HelloFresh gives back. In 2020 alone, they gave over 4 million meals to charity. I will also say this, if you are regularly ordering delivery services, those add up so incredibly fast. Just doing that once or twice a week is gonna end up costing more than it would cost you for your weekly meal box from HelloFresh, and this is gonna get you a lot more food. So these are just so much better all around. If you go to hellofresh.com now and use my code BVESOR12, you can get 12 free meals. So this is done. I'm gonna eat some now, and then I have several packed away for the rest of the week. Oh my goodness, the sauce on this is perfection. So again, use my link in the description box to try HelloFresh. There is absolutely no way I would make something this delicious and creative on my own. I just wouldn't do it.
Hi, babe.
Look at me and smile. Oh, look at these cuties. Oh my goodness.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I love you, hug you, hug. I love you, I hug you. I hug, 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 hug you. Hug, hug you. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah, yeah.
How I wonder what you are above the world so high. I really love these natural earth and science flashcards. There's fun facts about various animals and natural phenomenon. A dung beetle?
Dung beetle play on poop. Look, they play on poop. That's poop from bigger animals.
What is this, Carter?
One big tooth.
What does it do with the tooth?
It points icebergs so it can break through.
So my birthday is coming up in a couple weeks, July 2nd, and this year I have the most epic, exciting stuff planned. Next weekend, I got a limo for me and my girlfriends, and we're going to be doing a wine tour around Temecula. I am so excited. It's just gonna be such a fun day. So I've been trying to find the perfect dress. Okay, here is dress option number 1. What I'm going for is cute but comfortable. Comfort is so important. So I like that this is nice and flowy, not too restricting. It has pockets. Okay, here is dress option number 2. I love this one. It's also got the pockets, the pretty yellow color, and the way it's cut, I can wear a normal bra with it. That's always a huge bonus. This is the next option, which I am loving because it's a romper. So I don't have to worry about my dress flying up or anything like that. I don't know, I really like this one and the second one. So let me know, put your votes down in the comments, option 1, 2, or 3. Hello and welcome to my segment called Trying Various Alcoholic Beverages to see which one tastes best. Who do we have joining us?
I'm your husband. I think we've met.
But what if they don't know you?
So I am Ryan, Brittany's husband. This is so awkward.
These became popular over the past couple years where I was primarily pregnant and breastfeeding and not drinking. So I have not tried any of these. Each take a sip and then we describe it in 1 to 3 words only. And then at the end, we're gonna rank them. Thursday afternoon, about to get a lot more exciting. We're gonna start with this one, Michelob Ultra Organic Seltzer Peach Pear. Oh, she's organic. What's your word?
My word? Refreshing.
My word, beer. It tastes like beer. I absolutely cannot stand beer. It tastes like a beer to me, like a peach flavored beer.
I'm not getting any beer out of that whatsoever.
Okay, next. White Claw pineapple. What is all the hype about? We're finding out today. My word, yum.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's so much better than that one. Okay, moving on, moving right along. Truly tropical punch. A lot of you wrote in saying the truly.
It's got a lot of flavor going on in there.
Why does that just taste like a delicious juice?
I know.
It tastes like a juice, people.
But it's got like a little bit of a kind of a slight weird aftertaste to me.
Yeah, it does.
You know?
It tastes like a fake sugar.
It does.
Stevia.
Like, yeah, like the sugar alcohols.
You've had hair this whole time.
Well, you don't look at me before.
Next up is the High Noon Sun Sips Vodka Soda Watermelon. I saw watermelon. I was like, yes, please.
Let me see what's all the high noon hype.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That one's going to be hard to beat.
See, that's refreshing. That's refreshing, and it doesn't have that funky chemical aftertaste.
This kind of blew my mind. Topo Chico, that's one of my favorite seltzer waters. They also have hard seltzer. This is strawberry guava. Again, was intrigued by that flavor.
Ooh, that's not a fun face.
No. Nope. That tastes a little nasty. Tastes a little nasty.
I'm not mad at it.
Okay, now we have our Barefoot Hard Seltzer Cherry Cranberry.
It looks kind of like a wine. I thought at first it was. Oh boy, that's
Nasty. Ryan just spit it out.
Is that like for real? I feel like there's something wrong. Like we got.
It tastes rancid. Here are my official rankings. The winner, High Noon Watermelon. Oh, next is this Pineapple White Claw. Both of these excellent. The Truly good has a little funky aftertaste. These two right here, not a fan. Really, you put the Topo up here?
I can't do the Truly aftertaste.
What I'm really surprised about here is how highly you rank this one. It reminds me of being in college and having a watered down drink at the bar.
And who doesn't miss that? Come on.
So, while we're here, everyone, Ryan got majorly pranked the other day. If you missed my Instagram stories, you missed it.
She got me.
So I told him that I had a brand deal with a bathing suit company. Little did he know it was a dissolvable bathing suit.
So she gives it to me and I put it on and I'm like, not the best fit, a little poofy, but
5 minutes, the whole thing just whoop. Someone's escaping. Capri Rosie, come back here. You get back here. You get back here. It's time for bed. It's time for bed. All right, so now it's around 6:15, and believe it or not, Capri is already down for the night. She woke up from her second nap at around 2, and she couldn't make it. So she went to bed early. Ryan is downstairs now with Carter, and that means Mom can escape for a little self-care. Because for me, that's the third part of the trifecta of getting my life back together. To clean up my environment, get all my meals prepped, and now self-care. Probably the most important aspect. So one of my favorite things to do for self-care, and I know it's probably very cliche, but I don't care. A nice relaxing bath. And I brought over my little Hot True Store light because it has really good meditations on the app. So I thought that might be nice. Step 1, eye mask. Step 2, take a sip of your drink. Cheers. Step 3, get our aromatherapy going on. I have some happy grapefruit. Step 4, we have to get our vibes up. So I'm gonna do a little meditation. And the other thing I like to do is listen to a good audiobook or a podcast, something that's going to be uplifting, motivating.
Now is the time to simply be. You can let go of everything you were doing that you think you have to do.
Tell me you're a mom without telling me you're a mom. All right, so that is going to wrap it up for this fun little vlog I wanted to throw in the mix. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, give us a thumbs up to let me know that you want to see more videos like this in the future. And also don't forget to use my link down in the description box to try out HelloFresh. If you have not yet tried them, you need to try them. It is literally one of my most favorite things of life. Like I said, my new little life hack is I order the family size meals and I just cook once and I meal prep for multiple meals. I don't have to plan the recipes, all the food comes to me and it actually tastes good and I want to eat it. So it's a win-win for me. All right, with all of that being said, thank you as always so much for watching and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.